ambulance is right before the fire engine.
You're assuming that the ambulance is there for that.
Maybe it's there in anticipation.
Is it bad that I want it to go boom?
The driver's still in the driver's seat going, I can't get this thing to start.
That's seriously outrageous.
Oh, something black's gone. No, look at that.
God, look at it. That's so scary.
I want to go home that way.
The main thing is everyone got off it, didn't they?
Well, we hope so. Why is there an ambulance?
Smoking correction?
Yeah.
I guess people call all the services as well, don't they,
To
when
be
they
honest,
see.
if I'd said that there's a bus on fire in the middle of the road, I think it might cause a few accidents.
They probably send one as a precautionary measure.
You know what that is?
That'll get the tires going, won't it?
Yeah, that's like sort of the ingrained chewing things.
There's bits falling off it now.
I'm surprised. I want to catch a bus. I was going to go home.
That is outrageous, because we've been, I mean, we're only talking on the outskirts of Norwich. Yeah, we're
Oh, that's right.
Selfish team. Who you calling, Paul?
Gonna get there sooner or later.
Well, it must have been like 5 past when we looked at it.
One of my friends posted photos earlier to their tyre dump where they live going up the roads. Yeah, just skirted around it.
This could go on for a while, really, couldn't it?
Yeah. The ambulance is stopping the traffic now.
Smoke could have happened, really.
I think a good half of it's gone now, isn't it?
Yeah.
Must have been, yeah.
Crikey, when the wind blows it away. Oh, hi Ben, it's Dad. Ben, I've got a bit of a problem. You know where I sit in my office? From where I am, I can see the roundabout off the flyover, which of course is how I get to you. There is a bus halfway round the roundabout, a double-decker bus, completely engulfed in flames. The whole thing is on fire. The road is completely closed. I'm not kidding. It is it's a fireball. It's incredible. Right to the top of the bus. The whole thing. I mean, there's huge black smoke drifting all the way across as far as the eye can see. It's literally heading almost as far as you are. If you look in the air and you see any clouds of smoke, it's incredible. But it means I'm going nowhere in the short term. So I'm sorry, Ben. I'll let you know as soon as I can go.
There's a fire engine.
Oh, finally a fire engine has turned up. It's been on fire for ages. The ambulance has been on fire engines and so, oh, crikey! I don't know if you heard that. There's just an almighty bang. I think the petrol tank has blown up. Crikey. Yeah, look, it's all across the road.
Yeah.
How do you do? Shall I do, Julian?
You up?
This is incredible. You should see it. I've never seen anything like it before. It's infernal. So, are you still there? Hello?
Jesus.
But that's
right, I call him credit.
unbelievable.
Yeah, the roundabout's going in.
Whoa.
Grass has gone, yeah.
If they keep getting an explosion. Hello, we've got another flashing light there now. What's that one on that white van? Oh, look at the old. She's just realised that's her bus on fire. Look, running across here. Look.
Let's get the cameras out.
The bus conductoress with her flip chart thing.
Oh, is it one of those?
Yeah, it's one of their buses. Oh, look. She's taking some pictures.
Some sort of first
Well, that hose pipe, he's run out of water. Look, that hose pipe's
realised why he's running 4 minutes late.
Hello, Ben. Sorry about that. I ran out of calling credits. I'm on the other phone now. I don't know whether you heard me, but just while I was talking to you, the fuel tank exploded on the thing. It was incredible.
Yeah, there's a
Finally
bus
got an
program
out
down
there
at the roundabout.
and it's like sort of squirting water at it. It's making no difference at all. It's incredible.
So it's not, when you get to that sort of
No, just
situation, when you can't find, just
Not as far as I'm aware, there is an
It's
ambulance,
got
but it's
to be more
basically
blue lights,
all it's
yeah,
doing
isn't
is
it?
blocking the traffic. I think everybody got off.
Oh yeah, here's another one.
Before anyone was.
We'll shut the road.
But I mean, the central circle of the roundabout, the grass, it's on fire.
The trouble is, it's peak
smoking all
time,
over
is
the
it's
place.
5:15.
It's incredible. If anyone gets here in time to film it. I mean, people up here have been recording it.
Echo in the wrong way
It's
round the
AA.
roundabout.
No, the AA turned up.
I've
Yeah.
taken some pictures on our camera, but it's.
They're going the wrong way round the roundabout now, aren't they? They're letting them round this side.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, the traffic's starting to move, sending it round the other way. So we'll see
It'll be the
what happens.
weekend, won't it, that they'll end up fixing it.
At the moment, it
So
doesn't
what
look like
ways
it,
are
no.
there? It's only out.
So I'll be with you as soon as I can, but it's beginning
You go
to make a
Blowfield way
difference
and
now.
then south that way.
The,
Well, you need to go that way, don't you? You've got to go south.
that's not going to be shifted for a long time. It's probably welded to the road now.
Bugger on the bus.
I'll let you know.
You're on Shanks's pony, pal.
Walking.
Yeah, shapes is better.
I'll get to you as soon as I
Literally
can,
on
even if it means
emergency
going the other way,
service.
coming in the long route, but I'll pack up and see what I can do.
Oh, we need more flashing lights. There's got to be some more on the way.
There's seriously been nothing left.
A bit late, isn't it?
Wow.
Oh dear, I'll get a